Hello and welcome to another video. Nvidia has been one of the best stocks 2024 on the back of the AI boom. It has jumped 83% since the start of the year. However, according to its intrinsic value, it is valued by 36%. So, amidst this, I think this ETF is a better investment opportunity than Nvidia. So one of the most appealing ETFs with AI exposure that could make for a smarter and safer investment than Nvidia could be the Global Robotics and Automation Index ETF. Robo is appealing because it provides a diverse strategy for investing in firms that explore robotics, automation, and AI. As a result, if the AI bubbles, most of the firms the ETF invests will be partially or entirely shielded. So, if we talk about a company a bit, Global Robotics and Automation Index tracks and invests in global companies in robotics, artificial intelligence, and automation technologies. So even though AI is at the center of attention regarding technological advancements, other technologies, including robotics and automations, are also experiencing significant growth. And there are currently 77 stocks that are part of Global Robotics, none of which are holding larger than 1.81% of the invested assets. Now, Nvidia is one of the 77 holdings of the fund with a weighing of 1.47. So, the ETF offers great diversification. One thing you have to keep in mind is that Robo lagged behind other robotic ETFs. However, its diversification approach may outperform in various market conditions, like as in case of lower interest rates, which we can see in the longer run. Therefore, if you want to profit from the AI revolution over the longer run, then I think Global Robotics and Automation Index ETF provides a safer route. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.